Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Shungu Mupfawa. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want to create a community here. In today's video, we are talking about something a lot of students secretly stress about: choosing a career path when you are still unsure. And let me say this from the start: it's 100% okay not to know. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are not the only one. You are human and you are still growing. Everyone is figuring it out. Here is the thing nobody tells you. Even adults with jobs, degrees, mortgages, and back pain still ask themselves, is this really what I want to do with my life? So if you are 17, 18 or 19 panicking because you don't know your career path, just relax. You are right on time. Explore before you decide. Choosing a career is not choosing a life sentence. You are not signing a contract with destiny. You are simply taking your first step. Explore, try things, shadow someone, volunteer, talk to people in the field of your choice. Take the wrong module. Sometimes that's how you find the right path. Your 20s are for testing, learning, making mistakes, and saying, oh wow, I hate this. Let me try something else. That's all part of the journey. Focus on your interests and strengths. Instead of forcing a big, scary career decision, ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing? What comes naturally to me? What problems do I love or do I like solving or enjoy solving? What subjects energize me instead of draining me? These questions will guide you more than any career quiz ever will. And if you still don't know, don't stress. Knowing what you don't like is also progress. Your path can change, and that's normal. Your career won't be a straight line. It will curve, twist, reverse, jump, glow up, restart, and that's normal. You are allowed to change your mind. You are allowed to discover new passions. You are allowed to reinvent yourself at any age. Life is not a race. It is a series of choices, and you get to make more than one. So, if you feel unsure about your career path, take a deep breath. You are not lost. You are learning. You are becoming. And you have so much time to figure out things. Trust your journey. Trust your pace. And trust yourself. Because even if you don't know your career path yet, your future is still bright. And you are going to get there step by step. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye.